Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Cosco Signature Step Stool. The stool is mostly made of metal with plastic steps. It's pretty lightweight, so you can lift it up and move it around pretty easily. It's pretty sturdy when you stretch it out. It has rubber feet to keep you from sliding or scratching your floors. It locks in place, and you just lift this handle here to unlock it. And when you put it down, it just locks the bar so it will not fold in or collapse on you while you're using it or on it. It has a pretty good height to it, so you don't need to get a ladder for like normal things that you need to reach, say in your kitchen or changing a light bulb and stuff. So it's a good step stool to have around the house for minor things you need to reach for. I hope this.